Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll find the derivative of a term with inverse trigonometry function. As per the problem, we have to differentiate y equals x times tan inverse square root x with respect to x. On the left side, we get dy over dx. On the right side, the term is made up of two different types of functions. X is a polynomial function. Tan inverse square root x is an inverse trigonometry function. Since they are being multiplied, we have to use product rule of derivatives to find the derivative of this term. As per the product rule, we start with the derivative of the first function, which is x. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Times the second function plus the first function x times the derivative of the second function, which is tan inverse square root x. We have to use chain rule to find the derivative of this function because it has the outer function tan inverse and the inner function square root of x. We have to use a formula for the derivative of tan inverse. The formula is derivative of tan inverse m with respect to m is equal to 1 over 1 plus m squared. So as per this formula, the derivative of the outer function tan inverse is 1 over 1 plus square root of x squared times the derivative of the inner function square root x with respect to x. Now we can simplify this step. 1 times tan inverse square root x is just tan inverse square root x. In the denominator, square of square root x is just x. The square and the square root cancel each other out. So we get 1 over 1 plus x. To find the derivative of square root x, we should change square root to rational exponent 1 over 2. X times 1 over 1 plus x is x over 1 plus x. We can use power rule of derivatives to find the derivative of x to the power half with respect to x. As per the power rule, we move the exponent half to the front of the term and subtract 1 from half in the exponent. We can simplify this step further. X over 1 plus x times half is equal to x over 2 times 1 plus x, and in the exponent on x, half minus 1 is equal to negative half. Next, we should make the exponent on x positive. We can do that by moving x to the denominator. I get 1 over x to the power half. Next, we can multiply x over 2 times 1 plus x with 1 over x to the power half. I get x over 2 times x to the power half times 1 plus x. Next, we can reduce the x terms in the numerator and denominator. We can use division law of exponents to combine the terms x and x to the power half. The exponent on x in the numerator is 1. We can combine these x terms by subtracting their exponents. I get x to the power 1 minus 1 over 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we are left with 2 times 1 plus x. In the exponent on x, 1 minus half is equal to positive half. Next, we can change the exponent half to square root. This is the simplified form of the derivative of the given equation y equals x times tan inverse square root x. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.